Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to be building part 1-36A Feedwater Heater Base for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get designing. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 1-36A Feedwater Heater Base for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's click on the template MMGS and open. Let's save that right away before we forget. That's in the right one. Yes it is. So we've got 1-36A. Okay, we're going to start from the top. Sketch. And do a circle, do center. Bring that out. That's going to be 102 diameter. 102. And that is going to be 12.5 thick. So, extrude. Go to mid-plane, 12.5, and double check that, 12.5 is this, 12.5, and done. First part done, excellent. Okay, now we need to add a circle on that, so that's normal 2. Let's sketch on that one. We want another circle. That's going to be 95. Smart dimension, diameter 95, and that's going to be a height of 3 mil. So we go there, you just rotate it around to make sure we're going the right way, extrude, yes we are, excellent, 3 mil, and done. That's that part done. Now, we need to do... We need a part that goes down. Let me just put this on front view. We need a part that goes from here roughly, angle, then down, then across, up, then angle again. So we're going to go to front plane, sketch. So we're going to do a line. Let's do that again. I just want to get rid of that front plane. That was annoying. So the mill there, that mill dot, go there. Not quite. Make sure it doesn't hook up anything there. Down angle, straight, and across, and close it in. Right, that's closed. That's excellent. But this one here, we're going to make for construction. There we go. We're going to use that to pivot round. Now dimensions, smart dimension. This vertical line is vertical line. I clicked on the mill one. That's what happened on the mill icon. Mill vertice. That's going to be 4.5. Now, this point to this point is going to be now. Don't want the angle like that, you want straight out. 13.5. We want this one to this one is going to be 78 divided by 2 because it's 78 diameter, but we want radius. And this point to this point, the center line to that edge is going to be 96 divided by 2. There we go. That's good. Now, we want to go feature. We want revolve. Revolve base. Revolve boss base. Oh, okay. Let me just close that one, Maxi. There we go. Okay, that there, not vertice line. Okay. Oop. Look at that. Perfect. I was thinking you need vertice line. No, it's got to be closed in. That's right. So that's line 6. It's blind. That's good. 360 degrees. And okay. There you go. Perfect. Actually, I was a little bit worried on that one, honestly. I thought, how can I remember this one? It actually worked out quite good. That said, been a while since I've used software. I'm still getting used to a lot of features and that, so that's good. That one was worrying me a bit. We got there. Okay, so now we need to do... Oh, not that one. Nope, that one. There we go. Click the middle mouse button to scroll around. So we want normal to that one. So it should be on the base one we just did. Then we go vertice, circle, in the middle. That is going to be... Oh, cancel that. Cancel that, cancel that, cancel that. Exit sketch, thank you. Delete that sketch. Yes, we want to delete it. Because that is not one circle, there's two circles. There are two circles. So, we shall do the first one first. So let me go back in that sketch. Okay, that's fine. Let me do that one. Do that circle first. And that's going to be 41 diameter. 41. Now that's going to be... Where are we? Off the center of here. With the center line, center vertice to the center of that will be 17.5. There we go. Beautiful. That is good. That's good. Yep, that one's done. Okay, that's good. Yep. There's a hole going there, but do that separately. Okay, so now we want extrude. Going the right way. Excellent. That's going to extrude down 25. And okay. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, let's go back to this piece here. Click on that face there. Sketch. Another circle. I'm going to go back in this one and make sure that was center, because that should be lined up with the center. I'm going to go back there and make sure. Let me finish this one first. Okay, that's good. So let me click that center. Shift and click that one. Make sure it's vertice. There we go. Okay, let me just go out of that for a moment. Exit sketch. Let me go on this one. Open sketch. Just going to do it now while I think of it. That one and that one will be vertice. There we go. That way it's locked in. Exit sketch. There we go. Beautiful. Normal 2. Let's put one side, make sure everything was fine. Close that one down, open that one up, and open that sketch up. There we go. Just went back in there to do it now, in case I forgot. Okay, so that one is there. That's going to be 22. So diameter, smart dimension, going to be a diameter of 22. That one in there. Doesn't matter really, but let's brought it down. And that's going to be from the center to the center of the cylinder there, circle. That's going to be 17.5. Excellent. It's a gap there. It's beautiful. And that's going to be a extrude of 25 as well, which is still 25 for the last one. And okay. And there we go. That's looking good. That's coming along nicely. Okay, so that's all the extrudes we need out. Now we need to cut. We need to cut holes out now. But first off, we're going to go front plane, normalize. Front plane sketch. So go line. We want, what is that? So somewhere on there, just click on there, go below that one, over to the center line, up there, and close that in. Okay, let's go to sketch now. So that is, so this line here is going to be 92 divided by 2. That's perfect. Okay, this one here is going to be 57 divided by 2. This one here is going to be 17, which is spot on. Beautiful. Okay, that's done. Okay, so now I need to go feature. I need to do revolve cut. Pick the axis, which is going to be that one. There we go. Going around. Line 360, everything looks good and okay. There we go. Beautiful. That one's done. That's looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay, so let's go to the bottom. Normal 2. Thank you. Okay, we want the big one first. So sketch, circle. In the center circle, that's going to be a diameter of 24. 24. That's cool. That's good. That's good. That's good. There's going to be a depth of 20. Let's see. So feature, extrude cut, 20. Done. Now we're going to do this hole. Make sure you click this one here, not that one. So right click that one. Going to be sketch. Going to be a cylinder. Just highlight that one. Don't click. That gives you the center point of that circle. That's going to be 16 wide. So smart dimension 16, and that's going to be extrude cut through to next, which then puts it through that one there, and done. There we go. That one is done. Beautiful. So now next one, we want this one here, this small cylinder now, the normal 2, sketch. And that's going to be cylinder again. So just highlight, this mouse over, don't click anything, then go down and you should have the circle selected. Smart dimension, cylinder, and that is going to be 20, not 20, 12. Beautiful, there we go. And that's going to be a depth of 20. So extrude cut, 20 is already set there, and okay. Now again, select that one there, the one we just cut down to, sketch. We want cylinder, the circle, sorry. So click on that one so it gets center. And that's going to be extrude. Oh, sorry. Gonna hear myself. What? There we go. That's going to be 8 mil. Let me double check that. Yes, it is. Okay, so now that's going to be feature extrude cut. Going to be 10 mil. And that one's done. Now, we need to go this side. We need actually no. Let's do this side. Let's still stick with this side. So normal 2. So we want that face that we all the way down there, not the top one, not the middle one, but the bottom one. Right click and go sketch. circle. The other side can do it from this side, just got a bit easier. So center, take that out a fair bit. We don't need that big, but we can see it that way. And that's smart dimension. Always make sure you change over. That's gonna be 10 mil, I believe. Yep. And then that's gonna be feature screwed up to next and done. There we go. Beautiful. That's that hole done. Okay, so now we need 2 more holes. Yep, these 2 might do it from this side. So normal 2. Yep. So face up and zoom in a bit. There we go. So we want 2 holes. 1, 2. They are 6.5, so smart dimension. 6.5, no 5, not 4. 6.5. Now, go to smart dimension, click that center, and click the center of that circle and make that horizontal. Now, click the outside circle and this circle and make it tangent. Click this circle, that way I unhighlight everything else, and this circle, make tangent. That should be good. Oh, hold on. Nope, my mistake. Smart dimension, there to there is 25. There we go. I didn't see the measurement there. I thought it was right on there. 25. There we go. That's better. There's a lot of measurements there. I missed that one. That's 25, 25. Feature, screw cut, screw all, and go. And that should be through there. Beautiful. So let's have a look at this on the front plane. Nope. Sorry. Right plane. So let me have a look at... No, let's have a look at that one. There you go. So that's good. That looks looking good. So everything that looks good. So I still I was going to say, well, that's 2 we just did. Yeah. So you got slope there. Got the 3 of them size holes there. 2 of them size holes there. That's looking good. Okay, let's do that one. Okay, that one do. And that one. I'm just going over make sure I got everything. So, yep, 2, 2, 2. That looks like it. So, that's it. That piece finished. So, I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you want to see more, consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. And thank you for everyone that has subscribed. And welcome all new subscribers. If you enjoyed that video, click that like button. If you got any suggestions or that, comments below. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.